What is up, YouTube? It is Matt back with another crypto video, and before we get into today's video, I'd like to set the record straight for a claim made in my video yesterday about Ripple and XRP. I was reading this article out of the Seeking Alpha, and the author of the article was kind of stating some concerns he had with Ripple and XRP, and he stated that Ripple has a feature called balance freeze, and this was one of his concerns. It's something that I'd read in the past before, and even seen a YouTube video making that claim, so I just assumed it to be true, and that was wrong. So this, as you can see here from developers.ripple.com, XRP cannot be frozen by any entity or individual, and that's including Ripple. So I apologize for that false statement, but I have cleared it up here. So let's get right to today's video, and today is on DigiByte. This first article I have for you here out of the Crypto Recorder: why the Fed rate hike is an opportunity to buy DigiByte, Bitcoin, and Dash. The second article I have for you here out of the Crypto Globalist: DigiByte and the DGBAT latest move could lead to a bullish momentum in Q4 for DigiByte. Last article I have for you here out of the Daily Hodl: DigiByte has been a new crypto exchange, implements free trades for Bitcoin, Litecoin, DigiByte, and VertPig. So again, if you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button, like it, share it, leave a comment, and let's get right to it. So why the Fed rates hike is an opportunity to buy DigiByte, Bitcoin, and Dash. So the U.S. Federal Reserve is set to increase interest rates by 0.25%. This is likely to have an impact on the economies of most developing countries. That's because most of them had taken advantage of the low rates environment of the last few years to borrow heavily in international markets, backed by strong local currencies. But now that the US dollar is set to get stronger, many of these nations will be faced with a higher debt repayment bill relative to their domestic incomes. The solution will be in currency devaluations, and as this happens, weak economies will be faced with hyperinflation that will make their currencies pretty much worthless. The situation will be worsened by the increased disruption of the international order. The reemergence of tariff barriers means that most countries will find it hard to export, especially to countries like the United States. In such an environment, what options do citizens of nations under the threat of hyperinflation have? Looking at the trend of the past couple years, there's a good chance that people will look more towards cryptocurrencies. When Zimbabwe was going through hyperinflation, the demand for Bitcoin rose sharply in that country. At the same point in 2017, Bitcoin was trading at upwards of $25,000 in this country. Similar scenarios have played out in other countries as well. Over the last couple months, the Venezuelan currency has lost almost all of its value, with inflation hitting 1,000,000%. This has been followed by an increase in the uptake of cryptos in this country. The cryptos that have been most favored by the Venezuelans are Dash, DigiByte, and Bitcoin. The first two are favored for their efficiency and value transfer, while Bitcoin acts more of a store of value for people looking to safeguard whatever wealth they have left. There's also these are also the cryptos that saw an increase in volumes when the Turkish currency showed signs of weakness about a month ago. This trend goes to show that in case more economies in the developing world begin to show signs of weakness, there could be an upsurge in the demand for these three cryptos. The rise in these three cryptos is not just a fluke. They have what it takes to be a fallback for citizens of a failing economy. Starting with DigiByte, the crypto is one of the most decentralized that there is on the market. It is also permissionless and cannot be censored. This means that anyone, anywhere in the world, can buy and spend DigiByte without possible restrictions from any entity. It is also quite practical as a currency. That is because it is fast, has low transaction fees, and is very secure. On its part, Dash is pretty much the perfect fiat replacement. That's because it is also fast, it's also low transaction fees, but best of all, it is private. The Dash coin also has the infrastructure to allow for its use anywhere in the world. This makes it one of the coins that have a realistic chance of adoption in any economy where fiat is shaky. Its heavy trading volumes in Venezuela are a testament to that. And lastly, Bitcoin. It is the perfect store of value. Though it is not very efficient as a currency, it has proven itself in terms of holding value even with its wild fluctuations in the market. In a situation where a currency is failing and people are afraid of losing their wealth, Bitcoin will continue to be a good alternative. And this will lead to a major surge in price of Bitcoin in most emerging economies. Now, certainly we will see what sort of effect the Fed hike coming up shortly will have on these countries and their economies. But certainly if their local fiat currency does collapse, we will more than likely see an upsurge in Dash, DigiByte, and Bitcoin, because that was the case with Venezuela, Turkey, Zimbabwe, and other countries that had shaky times in their economies. People turned to these three in particular. Certainly they weren't the only three, but these were the three most adopted for the reasons stated below. So the second article I have for you here, DigiByte and the DGBAT latest move could lead to a bullish momentum in Q4. DigiByte is an old project and one of the most technically advanced in the market. However, due to Bitcoin's dominant position and the heavy marketing of projects that have centralized teams behind them, DigiByte hasn't gotten much visibility in the market over the last years. But 2008 has been quite different thanks to the launch of the DigiByte Awareness Team. This is the team that has been tasked by the community to spread the word about DigiByte, and so far they have been successful in their endeavors. That's because DigiByte has seen an increase in usage, and now it is listed on more exchanges than ever before. The DigiByte Awareness Team, DGBAT, are now taking things to the next level by launching the DigiBAT website. Through this website, the team will post everything related to DigiByte, including the latest happenings around the project. Basically, it is an informational platform aimed at reaching more people and get them to understand the project better. This move by DigiBAT will have a wide range of implications on DigiByte. The first one is that it will draw more investors, it will drive up trading volumes of DigiByte just by increasing its awareness. There are lots of people out there who don't understand DigiByte and what it is all about. Now that the crypto has a platform to share everything about itself, awareness will without a doubt improve. Not many people know the value of a truly decentralized platform like DigiByte, but as information spreads, they will know about it and come to appreciate its importance in the market. So far, DigiBAT activities on social media have led to an increase in user numbers, and this latest move is a welcome addition in pushing up those numbers. On top of that, as awareness about DigiByte grows, so will its adoption, especially in its core market of cybersecurity. That's because as word spreads about DigiByte, the capabilities of this blockchain will also become more pronounced. Somewhere out there, there's a company that doesn't know of the power of something like DigiID, but it will now get to know about it as the DigiByte buzz gains momentum. In short, this website will lead to a bigger discovery of a gem that has been hidden from many due to the hype around other projects in the market. So how is the market responding to the news of the day? Well, due to the heavy sell-off of the market, well, this was posted yesterday where DigiByte, it said that most altcoins lost an average of 8 to 10% yesterday, where DigiByte kind of held a little bit stronger, and they shed just about 4% in the value. And that is an indicator that today's dip has not weighed heavily on DigiByte, and it could outperform the markets in case of a rebound. So looking at today's market where Bitcoin is up, DigiByte has gained 2%, so they've gained about half of what they lost yesterday. And this is a look at the DigiBAT.org, the new website launched by the DigiBAT team. And I can't wait to start looking at this website every day to see what kind of news is being released on DigiByte. So this last article I have for you here, out of the Daily Hodl, new crypto exchange implements free trades for Bitcoin, Litecoin, DigiByte, and VertCoin. So the site is VertPig, a crypto exchange centered around VertCoin, has announced free trades for unmatched orders. Anyone who adds an order on VertPig's order book without an instant match can trade for free. VertPig is one of the few exchanges that is experimenting with zero commissions across the platform for certain types of trades. This was their post a buy-sell order on the VertPig exchange, and if it is not matched straight away, you pay no fees once it is matched. That's what a maker is, that's what a maker is. Someone who adds an order to the order book, 0% maker fees on the exchange. Trade for free on VertPig. So free trading platforms are on the rise for traditional investments. The leader in this space is Robinhood with over 5 million users, and JP Morgan recently released its own free trading platform called YouInvest, which is available to its 47 million mobile and online customers. VertPig, which was launched earlier this summer, supports Vertcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and DigiByte, and Euro trading pairs with Vertcoin. It bases the number of required confirmations on a user deposited amount. So as their tweet here, Bittrex requires 300 confirmations, Polynex now requires 576 confirmations, and VertPig, well, we base it on the amount you deposit, starting from just 2 confirmations. So aside from the free trades, VertPig offers users an easy entry point into crypto, as Vertcoin is available for direct exchange with the euro. And that is unfortunate because I use US dollars here in the United States. But anyway, it's good news for Europeans looking to buy DigiByte. And if you're not matched with an order right away, your trade will be free. So if you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button, like it, share it, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later.